The graveyard's looking beautiful and peaceful this morning. Rather large pines, those. Well, for England. So further news round the village. it's wild. The tree's been cut down. I presume it was old and diseased, but gosh, the size of the slices. I bet that tree's seen some things. I have a feeling that's an ash hole for a fire. It's got a window there and a little door. We had one on our last house, but it was higher up and you scrape the ash out from the fire. I could be totally wrong, but cool old thing.